Hello everyone, welcome to the official UniFab channel. With the digitalization of film and historical footage, the clarity and detail restoration of old videos have become a major focus. Traditional methods often fail to effectively recover texture details, resulting in blurry and unnatural images. Today we introduce the UniFab Texture Enhance model, a deep learning-based solution for video texture enhancement. This model combines spatiotemporal convolutions, self-attention mechanisms, and multi-scale feature fusion to accurately capture both spatial details within frames and temporal dynamics between frames, achieving high-fidelity texture restoration and significant enhancement. First, the spatiotemporal convolutional network uses 3D convolutions and temporal recurrent structures to extract spatial and temporal features, dynamically highlighting key textures and motion details. Next, the self-attention mechanism weights video frames in spatial regions, capturing long-range dependencies and suppressing noise, which is particularly effective in complex motion and occlusion scenarios. Multi-scale feature fusion employs an encoder-decoder architecture and skip connections to preserve high-resolution details, enhance noise robustness, and improve the naturalness of the video. The reconstruction module leverages residual learning to focus on repairing noise and blur, producing clearer and higher quality video frames. Training uses a multitask loss function, combining image reconstruction, edge enhancement, and texture preservation to ensure stable and excellent performance across various scenarios. The UniFab Texture Enhance model delivers outstanding detail restoration and dynamic consistency, with efficient training and inference, making it an ideal choice for old video restoration and high-definition enhancement. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe for more AI video technology updates. See you next time.